All right, well, hello guys, welcome to another video. For this particular video, we're not actually gonna worry about the sound coming from this GoPro. We're gonna worry about the sound coming from that one. We're gonna have a kind of a mic'd up exhaust setup. And initially I had the the GoPro closer to the exhaust, but it was way too loud and it was too crackly for that GoPro Hero 4 Black. So we're actually going to focus more on kind of a little bit of distance, but still at that distance from the exhaust, you can get a really good sounding and without that kind of wind buffeting. So yeah, so I look forward and hoping this is a really good video. I apologize for not posting anything this week. I've been very ill. I've had a chest cold and of course coronavirus is going around, so it's been really scary going out, and I don't have coronavirus, so I guess that's the scary part, is I can't catch it, so, or it's gonna be really bad for me, and I have asthma too, so yeah. So anyway, we'll get on with the video. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I know it probably wasn't terribly long, but you know, I'm trying to keep miles down a little bit on this car. I'm also trying not to beat it up, but hopefully I included, you know, hopefully that launch control made up for a little bit of the lack of duration. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which type of videos you guys want to see in the future, and yeah, I look forward to making more of these. So anyway, stay tuned for more. I have a DSG Tune final thoughts video coming out really shortly. It'll kind of be my final sum up review and in my opinion why you really need it. So if you have a tuned car, of course. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.